Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirits. So my viewers and subscribers, it has come to my attention that family homeless after house set ablaze. A family is now homeless after men reportedly set fire to their house and opened gunfire while the occupants, including children, were inside along Erie Castle Road in St. Andrew early Thursday morning. The occupants managed to escape uninjured. A crew from the Stony Hill Fire Station and the police responded and visited the scene about 1:20 a.m. My wisdom warriors, I come them man a really come for kill, because if them a man a set the house on fire, turn around and a fire shot, my wisdom warrior. These things, no notice. No notice, say the people them house are burned down. A lot of people house is burning down. I don't understand what is going on. How comes them a set ablaze people house so? It look like say this is the new trend. Notice that this is the new trend. And notice anytime they house set ablaze, my wisdom warrior, 90% of the time they can build up back. There's no help from the government for build up back them place. 90, not even 90%, 99% of the time there's no help. And then when you look, months later, the government have the land. You understand me? But what is really happening? What is going on with our brothers and sisters? Why una have so much hatred for our own people? This me not understand. Remember, we're all one black people, Me keep on telling you, we're all one. You understand? How comes no get so bitter? Why? What really happened? Me encourage you all the while, no. Una not forget. So yeah, some people we upset to an extent, but Lord Jesus, man. Una can't get so angry so till una set people house on fire. And on top of it, una fire shot. Una really come, mighty God, una really come for kill the people them. Seriously. You know what? I'ma give God thanks that no lives never lost. I really give God thanks, seriously, because children was included in the house. You understand me? This is not nice. This is not nice. We are all one. We are all one. I mean, I know how after a sudden everybody else just abandon. Some people reach out to me and say, some houses that burn down are because family want land. They must say others want land too. You understand me? I really want to call sometime. It depends. I don't know how my things set already, my viewers and subscribers. Me not really want to call certain names sometime because I'm not sure. You get me? Upon saying this, my wisdom warrior, this is not a good look. This is not a good look. Wanna see that? Wanna see that? Wanna see how the house burn out? But as I said, I am so happy. I am so happy that the individuals that were inside the house, they are okay. We have to give God thanks. We have to give God thanks. But to all my brothers and sisters, we are all one. Wanna remember that you can't be so bitter against your own. You can't be so bitter. Come on, man. And one life we have, And one life we have included we have set the place on fire too. And one life we all have. You understand me? We need to come together more. We need to have love in our heart. And that's where everything have to start from. We have to have love inside our heart so we can be able to love others. We have to love ourselves first. You get me? So this is really a sad situation, but we give God thanks. Anyway, you want to tell me how you feel about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Also, me buck up in this. Member of Parliament for Central Kingston, Donovan Williams, is dismissing claims that a female resident of Rosemary Lane in his constituency has not received any help since her home was destroyed by fire. The claim was made by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, in a 2-minute video taken on May the 2nd. In the video, 3 JCF members are seen making an urgent appeal for help for Sandra Shepherd. But in a post for his X platform on Wednesday, Mr. Williams says Ms. Shepherd had already received assistance from the Constituency Development Fund. Oh, but wait there, if the woman never receive assistance, this is what me can't understand. If the woman never receive assistance, yeah, remember our house catch a fire, our home was destroyed. So what kind of assistance Uno did give to her? What type of assistance? Uno did build back our house? Because if Uno never build back our house, whatever assistance Uno give to her is still not gonna be enough. You understand me, my wisdom warriors? Remember, if somebody home burned down, no matter the assistance you're going to give to them, no matter even if you put them up, even if you bring food and everything, listen, them still are going to need their home. Them still are going to want back their home. So I would like to ask MP Donovan, Una did build back the house? I'm just asking. I do not know. I'm just asking. Una did build back our home? Because remember, your home is your home. So when a home is burned down, and with everybody, because a lot of people may see them house burned down, government promise them, say them go build back up them house. All know when they look, government take away their land. And I don't joke thing this. People come on news. You understand? I actually watched this lady, this lady and her man, and they have a baby. And I remember clearly, it's just like late last year it happened. Their house burned down, and the government promised them, said them go build up back them place. And them come and them a cry. The government never build up back. What the government do? The government take away the land. My viewers and subscribers, hey, you see, this is why when I hear people come out and attack the government and the MP, them not forget vex. Not forget vex. Because guess what? If somebody won't burn down and wanna turn around and take away the land at a later date, can't blame people. Can't blame people when people come out and talk about it, because that only look like something in it. That look like something in something my wisdom warriors talk truth. So Uno can't come out and blast people when they must speak out against the government. Because, as I said before, if people won't get burned down and when they look 6 months, 7 months, a year later, the government take over the land, something all right. You understand me? People is going to talk and people is going to start wonder, why is this happening? Why is this happening? You understand me? You understand me, my wisdom warriors? Okay. So, you know what? It's just not nice. It is just not a nice thing. So when the lady come out, maybe she didn't get enough help. Maybe she didn't get enough help. You understand me? That's why. As I said, she probably never get back her house. So I do not blame her if come looky help. Looky help, yes. Because I don't know why when government said them a claim, said them a help the people of the country, them a going like a for them pocket, them a going in, Remember, taxpayer money them a use. Why when they fi help the people them in the country, them a go piece and half. But when time come to other things, you go full force, you fi stop it, government, you fi stop it, you fi do better, You understand? But the thing is, you not go do better because you come fi wreck the land. And that me realize. Just like how Andrew Holness break every law, for Andrew Holness break the law of the lands, You fi look into it. A 63-year-old man gunned down in Linstead. The Linstead police in St. Catherine have launched a search for a gunman who fatally shot a 63-year-old man near the town centre today. The deceased has been identified as Uriah Bailey, otherwise called Arab, a butcher of Victoria District in Linstead. It is reported that about 11:50 a.m., the man was at 4th Street in Linstead in the vicinity of Marcus Slaughterhouse, where he was preparing soup for sale after the nearby bus park. My wisdom warriors, what can I say? Me have to remind you again about the pastor that come out and warn and warn the Linstead people and warn all the fire them we are going to take place and warn all the brother we are going to kill the next brother and the sister we are going to kill the mother. And listen, Una fi take one in, my wisdom warriors. Take one in. The pastor always encourage you to pray and anoint on yourself and on pitney and fast. You understand me? Because there's too much lives is taken. Too much life is taken seriously. And something not right. Something is going on in their system. My viewers and subscribers, something are go on in the people their mind. Wanna hear me? Make after a sudden, they just a real up. They even listen. Hey, a revelation time, A revelation time. A revelation time. Me gonna make you listen to a small clip of the pastor. Yeah? Taking this.
Right in a roadside in a Clarendon, me a put out a warning and the prophecy for roadside in a Clarendon. For begging in a roadside in a Clarendon for prayer. And for begging no, for cancel the plan of the enemy in a roadside in a Clarendon. Yeah. When me see them a go lie down 6 body flat. Right a roadside, them a go lie down 6 body. And them a go burn down shop a roadside. And we are begging in a roadside for prayer and cancel the plan of the enemy. Right in a roadside, 3 round robin I go key. And the 3 round robin I go keep them, I go rob one of them wicked. And terrible shooting I go there roadside. And we are begging for prayer and cancel.
Okay, my wisdom warriors. So when you hear what the pastor say. All right. So listen to this now. The reason why I play, me always I tell you about him. But this one he just put up 1 day ago. 1 day ago he put it up. You understand me? 1 day ago. Talk Your Mind TV always play him. Talk Your Mind TV I play him for a long time. For a long time. And when me tell you say, it come to pass. It does come to pass. May I tell you know that? Whosoever we over here will watch Talk Your Mind TV, we know what me I talk about. If you don't know what me I talk about, you can write it in the comment section and say, you know what me I talk about. You understand me? Serious thing. This a man here. I remember when he talk about the man, there's a brown tall man from St. Anne's. But I have to play the voice note there. He talk about a brown tall man in a St. Anne's where I go with them I go take in life and so and so and so. And when you look up on the news it there, my wisdom warriors, you understand? So when he might encourage people to pray, anoint themselves and fast, a serious thing, Jamaican, we all need that throughout the whole of Jamaica. But a lot of people, I don't know the demon stand up in a them. Stand right up in a them. It's like the people, they not pray. But you tell me, want to think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. 2 male bikers lost their lives after the motorcycle they were traveling on collided with a trailer truck on the Cave Main Road in Westmoreland on Thursday afternoon. The names and identities of the victims have not yet been released by the police. The accident reportedly took place sometime about 12:30 p.m. while the truck was traveling from the direction of Savannah Lamar towards White House. My wisdom warriors, on here 2 bikers killed in crash with a trailer truck in our Westmoreland. I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. My wisdom warriors, Christopher Tufton is just not giving up. For some reason, Christopher Tufton a come back out and attack Mark Golding. Christopher Tufton just not get it. Christopher Tufton is saying how Mark Golding is criticizing his work. You can't imagine Christopher Tufton, you not do no work, brother. You not do nothing for the people. You are do nothing for the patient them. You not even do nothing for the nurses them and doctors, much less. A patient you not go do things for. You don't even care about the patient them. So what you talk about? Of course, Mark Golding for criticize the backside. And I know Mark Golding alone a criticize her. And I'm Mark Golding a visit the hospital. Are we the people a visit the hospital? Are we a go through the pain and heartache, Christopher Tufton? You don't know nothing we are going, brother. Even though you hear the people then come out and express themselves, brother, you don't give a shit your and your wholeness. So nobody can come and want people to love you up. Don't bother come and want people to love you up because you're not tricks that the whole out. You know what you do. You don't care about the patient them, but yet you want we to talk good about you. You don't want nobody criticize you. You're going like you do the good. You do the best. You're not doing nothing for we. Are we up on the ground, brother? Are we feel all of this? Not you. You understand me? When people got hospital, the way how the nurses them treat the patient them. The way how the nurse, sometimes, listen, not even that. They don't even have equipment. They don't even have resources. Somebody lick me and my viewers and subscribers, the amount of people reach out to me and tell me what is going on in the hospital. Me I tell you, it is just sad. Me just wait for some video for drop them pan uno. You understand me? It is a very sad situation. Seriously, somebody reach out to me and tell me how their niece, they are the hospital in Annata Bay. The niece have strokes and is hospitalized, my wisdom warriors, in Annata Bay right now, and they not have no machine. No machine they not have. No machine they not have, my wisdom warriors. The machine with them for use, for observe her, for analyze her, they not have it. The machine now function, my wisdom warriors. And then things like this, and Andrew Holness and Christopher Tufton, you know, want people to come out and talk good about, you know, when my people, them a suffer. Hey, you know, for go, Christopher Tufton, when I'm going to stop talk, you understand, until you make a change. But you not make no change. You not make no change. And everybody clearly see that. People all are complaining about the ambulance them. So the ambulance them non-transport. There's not enough ambulance. Every day you come down with one bag of police car and police this and police that. What about the ambulance them? What about resources? And some of the resources you don't have some, but only one machine you don't have. And some of them, most of them not even working. It is very sad. It's not looking good, Christopher Tufton. But then you want if you come out and praise you have to stop it, brother. And at first you come out and talk them something there, you know. And at first you talk, but you don't know why the people them are criticizing. You mean you don't know why? You think so this about no JLP and no PNP, brother? This is about people's life, brother. Me tell you that. You understand? This is about people's life. People them are go to the hospital. The patient them in the hospital and them a feel it. So you feel listen to your people. And that me I tell you, listen to your people and stop think business. You get me? You're in the wrong role. Me tell you all the time, I don't know what the hell Andrew Holness was thinking. Jano, you know what? Me not even gonna argue with you. Seriously, it not even make no sense. But my wisdom warriors, you see when things happen like this, we need to go out. We need to go out and protest. You see, protesting, demonstrating, it have an impact on the system and the government system. You hear me? You need to go out and protest. This is why the whole of them are fret what going to take place today. Big protests are going today. Them are fret like a post. All them are going like they're not shaking. Them shaking. Remember today, my wisdom warriors protest in New York City. Today, Mr. Rattigan and the whole crew, them coming out to speaking for UNO, protesting for the Jamaican people. Well, on the behalf of the Jamaican people, because we want better road. You understand? We want the healthcare system to step up. Hey, we want the poor conditions to be fixed and to get rid of all corruption. My wisdom warriors. This is why they will be going out there. For UNO Jamaican people that when I have no water, and that's why we are protest. So now listen to when you hear people are leak out against other people that is protesting for the country get better, them the people they not like Jamaican people. You hear me? They not like them alone want live life and be happy. You understand me? But if you look on the brighter side of things, So remember today in New York City, there will be protests. It was organized by Mr. Rattigan. Me want to check in on my YouTube community, my wisdom warriors. Over there, so me I go write whisper them I go there. Whisper the protests are happen. Okay? And that. So no come out in on the numbers. Because me know say you want better for the country, so no come out. Alright? Bless up on a nice clean self. Run over my TikTok, don't forget, and run over my IG. Follow me. The link I go there in the comment section. And also in my YouTube community. Bless up on a nice clean self. One love.